Meaning of dry farming.
Dry farming.
Dry farming.
Dry farming.
Dry farming. Dry farming is a type of agriculture where crops are grown without relying on irrigation or significant rainfall. Instead, farmers use natural water retentive practices such as soil conservation, mulching and crop management to maximize the effect of infrequent precipitation. The result is a crop that may have lower yields but is more resilient to drought and other extreme weather conditions. This method can also help to promote soil health and reduce water usage, making it an environmentally sustainable approach to farming in arid regions.